I can see AI being able to look at your current plant configuration if it's updated all the time and being able to flag you, hey, this equipment is now much more critical than you originally had designed it to be because of the plant conditions that you're in.
You're taught at different universities that the maintenance is something you need to do to increase the lifetime of your assets. However, we have data showing that actually if we actually reduce the maintenance and find the right level, we can increase the lifetime of our assets.
AI can take a look at your plant floor information systems, the data that operations is putting in. They can look at your work order data, your fault code data, and historical issues with the equipment, and put that all together to prioritize what you need to work on next and identify and predict.
So I tell my guys, and I tell the production people, guys, the right data makes the right decisions. Wrong data, we're gonna make wrong decisions. And we're gonna focus on something else rather than this real problem.
The main thing about predictive maintenance is if you're implementing it and you're having success, you will definitely cut down on corrective maintenance work, which is ridiculously expensive, right? So the more you can potentially find out that there is a problem and put in a PM to go take a look at that problem, the less likely something's going to fail atrociously.
We readily admit that mobile devices have transformed our personal lives in these 4 areas: improved communication, accessibility to information, navigational geolocation awareness, and our ability to record information. We all recognize that. However, the question is, what about our professional lives? Specifically, in the context of maintenance management.
We've been able to lower downtime from as high as 17% to as low as 5%. So that is a huge win for our organization because we gave operations back all that available time for the equipment for them to run it and produce product.